You excited for the debate? Alright, so that's we're here with the Prime Minister, Honorable Bro God Andrew Holness, at Sizzler's Rise to the Occasion launch. No, Mr. Holness, can I call you that or call you Bro God? Where I call you?
Whatever you comfortable with.
Okay, so Bro God, of course, what brought you out here? Out to all of the artists there, what make you say, you know what, I had to show up to support Sizzler?
Well, first, I was invited to attend the launch. I was asked to give a video message, but...
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Grabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Imagine, you can imagine at them in a power, every campaign, them depend, them a fight over food and liquor. And how them people are wicked and listen now. And then them say, them now feel no pressure, you know. The country alright, you know. I look how them are bomb rush liquor and the food, them all the Rastaman me say them kill over food. I wanna campaign them. When you see PNP, them are move so aggressive like over food and liquor. Eh? When you see PNP, them are move so them campaign. PNP campaign them nice, y'all broke out and people enjoy themselves while you know they fight over food, you know, wicked dirty labor right, you know.
I don't know how far this I go reach, and I don't know who it go reach if it reach the right person we can help. But me I beg you no balaclava police. Or whatever police have mother love. They go mother love. Me I beg you no please. You don't know mother love. I want mother love that you know. In kind of confused. Today my labor right, tomorrow my PNP, today my blood clot Western Stripes, tomorrow my Matilda. Put it on a string sometime. But why you have real love in him? The time then when that day after him see him wanting to take care of him mother love. I don't know bumbo clad, I don't know gunman, he can't make nothing no yet, nothing I just live, I just internet this. I want to take up a man and put him on the tribulation now because how I'm doing no man. I'm free up fine style too. Come in and see him on the internet, I'm gonna tell me say fine style there jail. Free up and go with them, then you then I do the right as them there. Every day I try to look something out and nothing. Nothing there, yeah, on the note too. Free up your warrior them man, I'm gonna sit in a plate.
Yeah man, a mother love man. A mother love man. Let me tell you something in the world. On enough run with enough things what mother love say. Me say things on for ask me what me say. You understand? When me say more and turn Jamaica in a 80, me no mean for use no gun and kill nobody and them thing them my friend. Me no mean them thing. The mother love never come out with a gun thing and them thing there. So if mother love make a speech, you know, for ask him what kind of speech.
I thought that wouldn't do justice to Sizzler. And then number two, Sizzler's song, Rise to the Occasion, is actually, I consider it like the backdrop to my life. Rise to the Occasion. It's one of those songs that was so inspirational to me. Particularly when I decided that I would enter the race to become leader of the Jamaica Labour Party. That was what inspired me. You know, an opportunity presented itself. And you had to rise to the occasion, you know.
In an election season like this, does politics get exhausting? I see you out there in your campaigning and I'm like, what is your sleeping schedule like? Come and know you can't be getting like 9-10 hours.
You don't get enough sleep. That's obvious. And remember, government still goes on. So I still have to keep my hands firmly on government. In addition to campaigning. I'm doing double duties.
You excited for the debate?
Yeah, you know, the debates are an important part of the democracy and of politics. It gives the public at large a deeper insight into thinking on policy.
Okay, so you're definitely confident to face off the opposition leader. You're not worried about that?
Of course not. But remember, I've been doing this with me now like my, third debate.
Andrew, let me tell you this, Andrew. Let me tell you this. Because people afraid to talk to you. Saying? And let me tell you this. Stop taking people them for fool, Andrew. Saying? Hope you learn the method of politics. You learn the art of politics like art of war and 48 laws of power. You learn you're intelligent, you have brain power, you learn that. And you come to the realizations of ghetto people, the poor people, them, the small people, them, where you discriminate. All the time, you discriminate them. But through them too near the forest, them can't see the trees. Because watch ya. Remember, say, as I get to it when I growing up, we're frightened of the stars. See? We're frightened of the stars. And you are the first. See? You are the first politician who them turn into a star, like an internet star. When you become an internet star, people see you different. You understand? So, we get the people frightened for start, so we're too near the forest, so can't see the trees them and can't see. The back of foolish them what you do. Saying? And you know so you do it. And I like, you don't know so you do it. You're making plans for us. Future plans for us. So when you gone and all these things, and we pass off, our kids them still a struggle. You come and talk about, oh, we build a road. Andrew, we don't own a road. Chinese them own a road. We not stop pay for that until we're 100. You don't own a road. Tell them say you take the budget and you have to pay for that. You have to pay back all of them loan there. You come and discriminate people, and discriminate the ghetto people. They all them little man we buy the chicken back them and the aisle them and the little man them we buy them Big Jilla aisle and all these things. What you know about Big Jilla aisle, Andrew? Andrew Holness, what you know about Big Jilla aisle? You ever been to Riverton City yet? Tell me, you ever got Riverton City yet? What you consider as dump, what you consider as rubbish, that is what is dump in Riverton City. And that the kids them have got you and people have got you. Go find them food. Expiry date and product of people are use. Saying? Survival. When you put people in a survival mood and your people do every single thing. You're put into the seat. Don't feel like you're special. You can come out of the seat at any time. All it need is just one extra vote and you come out of the seat there. Saying? Yes. You deal with government badness. A government, alright, watch your style and just stop deal with the people them. You go on TV and you ridicule ghetto people. See? And you're not telling people them say everything when them brain drain. Not only when a man fire a gunshot in a man head and him brain leak out. See? When the rich people them people them own the things them, migrate go other country. Majority of this private sector don't live in Jamaica. They don't live in Jamaica. See? And no resources, nothing not there. Nothing not there. We used to provide the best sugar cane, the best that, and we start import all of these things. When you go to you make all of them things you pertain to we as big people. We, you make future for we. And we not involved. And when the people them start to ask you why you get impulsive.
One your child, one vendetta. You hear me I say no? 80s.
And what the fuck gonna feel like? Man a killer in a real life. And what the fuck gonna think?
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
No violate the link and think on a ship now go sink down. And what the fuck gonna feel like? Man a killer in a real life. And what the fuck gonna think? Oh no violate the link and think on a ship now go sink down. Oh no fuck with the wrong people, mad people, bad people. Oh no no say with them evil.
Yes, we are give thanks. God Almighty, you know. And nobody has been, you know, outdated. Alkaline biggest song, 100 million views. And Fleek. Big up Kerberry, Jungle Boss. Try everybody, you know. All like team. True Loyal Records and Fleek. 100 million views YouTube.
Bounty, cartel say if you stop fuck the girl them inna them body and blow up the sheet up at L-Town. And you no vex see that. And Alkaline tell yourself you go suck your mother and you vex. Prefer you go suck your mama more than fuck body up at L-Town. And you talk about if you see Alkaline in real life, what you go do? You know feel almost 70 years old. Man, go drink some coffee and go to your bed.
They are gun stores. Mother love clicking.
Mother love.
Watch your road. Don't make them.
I don't know any of me and my friend gun smoke there. I got mashed up.
Come here, no. Come here, no.
The boy violate to crew now.
Mother love.
Mother love and the posse, you know. Taking the whole posse.
Mother love.
Mother love, some bad man friend here. And a badness in my daily still. Still a big
See,
man.
comment now. Comment now.
You win this year, you go show now. You go start the war from Town Cat all about.
Remember.
Win, you know. Yo, any win. Jamaica go turn in a 80. Mother love. Yo,
100.
Never ramp with me MP Jess. Mad thing, you know. Yo, take it off to you know.
The police them come for him man to blood clot and lock him up. Selassie I. You don't give him a chance, you know what I mean? I rum and boom cause this blood clot. Yeah. Just investigate him and let him out. Cause him boss making a vote for MP. Cause I don't know. I mother love that, you know. I don't think he ain't no matic. I just, you see me? And one woman did that tell him and say, no, say that. And he blood clot video man. Mother love. Cut off that video man. You see for your virgin video, I said then sitting there, I not tell you. You have to cut off him blood clot cause him set up you. Cause me couldn't have a virgin and me. I said then fuck with the internet and my virgin. Go still put out the video. Before he lock that video there, I know say I fuck with me a chat. Mother love, cut off that virgin there video. Any hour your virgin that video and put out the video. Cause your virgin supposed to know say I fuck with that your chat. So no put out that. See? And the woman where did that tell him say, yo, no say that. Next time listen to your elder. God almighty, one mother love still.
Eagle at the night say I pay life run. So, can't drive run. See me, yo Kingston. I do mother set a life in Iran. Look run, baby my son crown. Mad dog, GLE jack crowd. Go right for swing, that's me touch a skin turn. Uptown girl, I'm pretty and crown. Down